Chapter 2, Network Models. A network is a combination of hardware and software that sends data from one location to another. So, for sending data from one location to another, we need a network. So, it is a combination of hardware as well as software. Hardware consists of physical equipment that carries a signal from one point of the network to another. So, hardware consists of physical networks or physical equipments. The software consists of instruction sets that make possible the services that we expect from the network. So basically, software includes the instruction part, and hardware includes the physical equipment part. We can compare the task of networking to task of solving mathematics with a computer. Just like we give a command to a calculator that add 2 plus 2 and then we press is equal to. So networking is like that. So we can compare this task of networking to task of solving a mathematics problem. The fundamental job of solving the problem with a computer is done by computer hardware. So computer hardware is used for solving the mathematical problem. However, this is a very tedious task if only hardware is involved. We would need switches for every memory location to store and manipulate data. So we cannot work only with hardware. If only hardware is involved, then we would need switches for every memory location to store and manipulate data. So software is also important. The task is much easier if software is available. At the highest level, a program can direct the problem solving process. So the task is much easier if software is available. So if software is available, then task of this problem solving becomes very easy. The details of how this is done by actual hardware can be left to layers of software that are called by higher levels. Compare this to a service provided by a computer network. For example, the task of sending an email from one point in world to another can be broken into several tasks, each performed by a separate software package. Each software package uses services of another software package at the lowest layer. So, sending an email is also a service which is provided by a computer network. Now, each software package uses services of another software package. At the lowest layer, a signal or a set of signal is sent from source computer to destination computer. So this is basically about email. That email is also uses network.